Hey guys, I'm architect and urban designer Moksha Bhatia and you are watching Urbanism Spinning. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topics in architecture, that is floor area ratio. I will tell you what floor area ratio is, why it is important and how you can calculate total built up area with it. So let's get started. The ratio of a building's total floor area to the size of the plot of land on which it is situated is known as the floor area ratio or FAR. Floor area ratio is called FSI, which stands for Floor Space Index. Now, why is the FAR or FSI important? Firstly, understand that floor area ratio varies from city to city. There are various factors behind it. These include the land's characteristics, accessibility, dynamics of growth, population, etc. For example, due to the previously described factors, the fixed FAR for a semi-urban area may differ from that of an urban area. Let's see how you can calculate FAR. Formula for FAR is total built-up area on all the floors divided by total plot area. For example, we have total plot area 10,000 square feet. Permissible ground coverage is 25%. Therefore, area that can be covered on the ground is equal to 10,000 into 25%, that is 2,500 square feet. Now we have FAR 0.25. Let's put the values in the formula and we have total built up area on all the floors equal to 2,500 square feet, which is the same as the ground coverage. It means in this case we can just have one floor. Let's take another example with the same permissible ground coverage but with FAR of 0.5. By putting the values in the formula, we get the total built up area on all the floors equal to 5,000 square feet, which means we can build two floors with 2,500 square feet on each floor. Another example we will take in which FAR is 1, and by putting the values in the formula, we get the total built up area on all the floors equal to 10,000 square feet. As you can see, now we can build 4 floors with 2,500 square feet on each floor. Let's jump on to the next example in which we have permissible ground coverage is equal to 50%. Now area that can be covered on the ground is equal to 5,000 square feet. FAR 0.5 is given to us. Let's put the values in the formula and we get total built up area on all the floors equal to 5,000 square feet, which means we can build only one floor. In the next example, we have the FAR 1 and the same ground coverage. When we put values in the formula, we get a total built up area of 10,000 square feet, which means we can have two floors of 5,000 square feet each. In this last example, we have FAR 2 and the same ground coverage. By putting the values in the formula, we get total built up area on all the floors equal to 20,000 square feet, which means we can have 4 floors of 5,000 square feet each. That was all about FAR. Do practice it to avoid any confusion. Do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next week with another useful video.